Look. Damn. Living in hell, molecular cell. Go down with my niggas, won't none of us tell. I need a W, I just took a L. But you know I'ma bounce right back. Niggas be hating, that shit be so whack. Ask God why I gotta be like that. I'm in the trap, pumping my waist. I'm waiting for a fuck nigga react. Damn, how you get it like that? They say Easy got them chickens like that. They say Easy got them wishes like that. I just had to sneak my gun in the bag. My hands on her waist, I'm grabbing the ass. Drinking Henny, right out the flags. Gotta stay focused, fulfilling the task. Go to my veins and I don't gotta brag. Came a long way from chasing this chicken. Remember them nights when I ain't have $1. Them niggas, they hated on me for no reason. So when I'm on top, don't call me your brother. I'm on a path to discover. Like what if the devil is your mother? Cause you look in her eyes and tell her you love her. These niggas fake, they all undercover. Yeah. Damn, I had to start showing my heart. I know niggas was fake from the start. I know right now we at the bottom, but soon we gon' be at the top of the charts. When you see the pain, it's like an art. Especially when a nigga smart. And you know them niggas gon' hate anyway, so don't wait for them to start. Get to that bag, little nigga. No one wanna see you win, not even your friend. That's why I stay to myself. I exercise my mind like a gym. Talking about God, they thinking you him. Look at yourself, are you really here? Sometimes I wish I could just disappear. And I got his main bitch in the rear, that's for Rambo. And you know we pull up in that camo. And we smoking these niggas like camels. In Egypt, I just pull up on camels. Said I'm sorry, baby, I'm an animal. Is there anything that I can do? Hold on, let me show you what I can do. Said there's fire in me like a candle. And I know I'm way too much to handle. Out loud, bro, gon' shoot at the crowd. Everybody scramble. My side of town, where we get it in, come get you a sample. Pull up, turn niggas to ghosts, and then I pull off in a phantom. I can't fuck with these niggas, they random. And his main bitch keep thinking I'm handsome. Damn, I had to start showing my heart. I know niggas was fake from the start. I know right now we at the bottom, but soon we gon' be at the top of the charts. When you see the pain, it's like an art. Especially when a nigga smart. And you know them niggas gon' hate anyway, so don't wait for them to start.
D-Major, baby.
Get out. I get stuck in the jam, you gon' run up them bands. I'ma throw you a plan, but you gotta stand. No, I can't on your hand, gotta dig through the sand. I'll be a man, just stick to the plan. We gon' run up them bands. I get stuck in the jam, you gon' run up them bands. I'ma throw you a plan, but you gotta stand. No, I can't on your hand, gotta dig through the sand. I'll be a man, just stick to the plan. We gon' run up them bands. Not the number shit that you think about, but you gotta think about. I be moving high when I'm en route. Feds watching tryna take you out. Been broke, no patience now. I ain't settled with it, I'm just making out. Fuck a 9 to 5, I need paper now. Money talk, conversations now. Get a pack, gotta bust it down. I ain't giving no fucks how. Niggas worried about a bust down. I'm tryna get us out the hood. Whole world feel corrupt now. No ops when I touch down. Walk around, no fear. Make a nigga disappear, yeah. I get stuck in the jam, you gon' run up them bands. I'ma throw you a plan, but you gotta stand. No, I can't on your hand, gotta dig through the sand. I'll be a man, just stick to the plan. We gon' run up them bands. I get stuck in the jam, you gon' run up them bands. I'ma throw you a plan, but you gotta stand. No, I can't on your hand, gotta dig through the sand. I'll be a man, just stick to the plan. We gon' run up them bands.
got a bad bitch, she grinding down the pole. Yeah, I said I made it, I ain't make it here alone. Yeah, I got the sour on me, you know I stay stoned. And I got that 40 Glock, I put that to your dome. Yeah, she hit my phone, stop hitting my phone. Yeah, she home alone, she gon' do you wrong. Yeah, I'm in my zone, I'm in my motherfucking zone.
Baby, blood on me now. VVS is if you look at me now. My bloody all up on this ape shit. We the realest one that coming straight out of town. Tell me something, would you bang on me now? Tell me something, would you pay for the drown? I've been up for days, girl, all they sleep. Hear the devil, homie, when they look with a smile. I can see it through the hate and the lies. Bitches love it, but they fake in the skies. Pray the Lord if I can make it alive. The jungle real, but the realest survive. Yeah, I've been trapping out the sink. Yeah, if they wanna let them hit. I've been sipping on the drink. Yeah, make it so to make it drip.
With the game, baby, you already know. Yeah, I got a bad bitch, she grinding down the pole. Yeah, I said I made it, I ain't make it here alone. Yeah, I got the sour on me, you know I stay stoned. And I got that 40 Glock, I put that to your dome. Yeah, she hit my phone, stop hitting my phone. Yeah, she home alone, she gon' do you wrong. Yeah, I'm in my zone, I'm in my motherfucking zone.
Concrete jungle with the real apes, with many young guns, real fake. This is simple how real taste, uncut, raw, real the tape. I'm fresh off the press, yes indeed, but I'm breaking the mold, can't you see? I've been what they wanted to be. The prophecy dictates it started with me. Check in. But I don't have time for the petty shit. I'm cooking up verses that ready whip. Universally, I'm excellent. FNYK is the galaxy president. Jamming on them till they deaf as shit. Living life without a deficit. Created my own types of benefits. Energy infinite, no other relevant.
I'm with the game, baby, you already know. Yeah, I got a bad bitch, she grinding down the pole. Yeah, I said I made it, I ain't make it here alone. Yeah, I got the sour on me, you know I stay stoned. And I got that 40 Glock, I put that to your dome. Yeah, she hit my phone, stop hitting my phone. Yeah, she home alone, she gon' do you wrong. Yeah, I'm in my zone, I'm in my motherfucking zone. Yeah. Shorty wanna know my name, Akon, I'm the one to blame. Shorty always wasn't lame, why she out here switching lanes? Foreign with a foreign in it, we started it from the beginning. Yeah, we whipping something different. Yeah, I started from the kitchen, now my niggas in the booth. Yeah, I'm about to let it loose. Shorty tripping off the goose. Shorty always was a goose. Shorty always was a lane. Yeah, she out here switching lanes. Killing shit like Tory Lanez. All I really know is gang.
Get in the car. Come on.
Serious? Really? Right now you're gonna do this?
I promise. I won't do it again. Come on.
I just bought a brand new foreign last week. Almost lost my life, I was moving high speed. God's plan, they wishing and wishing on me. Tryna put me in a box, Roddy Rich and on me. Shawty got the strap, double D's, melodies in my head, but I don't wanna speak, that's on me. All these niggas sweet, let me sleep. I don't got the energy just to deal, what you mean? What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, tryna push up to the moon. Like, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, I be cooking in the stew. I be, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, tryna push up to the moon. I be, yeah. What's the move? Tell me what's the move? I've been chillin' in the view, I be cooking in the stew. I be, yeah.
I got bad things on me, bad things they wishing on me. How these niggas rapping on me, they don't know what happened to me. I seen them back in the hearse, I put on the work, I'm up with my dogs, I get it. None of you niggas I trapping, I did all the rapping, Joe Kelly, that nigga forget it. A nigga just sitting the wave, I'm digging your grave right after I do my repentance. Weedy and all of them niggas done told me their stories, I listen.